This video is not for people under the age of 13. Hello everybody and welcome back to BC's Doll Place. I'm Bethany and I love going to London. I was born in London and my family and I often visit it, especially to go to the theatre. I've wanted to visit London's Chinatown for a while and I wanted to take Gwynn with me. I hoped to visit during Lunar New Year, but I was unable to do so. However, I still managed to take some photos of Gwynn. These photos were taken at Liverpool Street Station, at the flower station, which is a florist shop. There is an arch of flowers and a bench. It's great for doll photos. At last, my dad and I were able to go to Chinatown last week. My dad took this photo. Isn't it lovely? We saw Cyrano de Bergerac at the Harold Pinter Theatre, which was nearby. It is a fantastic production with Joseph McAvoy in the titular role. I really recommend seeing it. My dad took more photos at the flower station. He took this photo of Gwynn and me. Gwynn is wearing a gorgeous cheongsam, I hope I got the pronunciation right, made by Angela W. Doll Clothes. There is a link to her shop in the video description. On the way to Chinatown we went to a shop I've never seen before. Isn't this an amazing shop display? They sell art figurines. I bought one and my dad kindly bought me one as a gift. I'll show you what I got later on in the video. In Chinatown I did see some decorations left over from Lunar New Year, which was cool, and I loved all of the lanterns that I saw. My dad and I went to a restaurant called the Golden Phoenix and the food was delicious. I took some photos inside and outside the restaurant. This was where my dad took the photo I mentioned earlier. I had a fantastic time. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to take many photos as it started raining, but I did manage to pick up some treats for my dolls from the Zen Chinese gift shop. I wanted to introduce the dolls who will be my models for this review alongside Gwynn. Gwynn Tan, Gwynn's older sister, and Ivy Lin. The matching cheongsams were made by Angela W. Doll Clothes. Firstly, we have this lantern. I have absolutely no clue what it says. If anybody does know, please tell me in the comments below. I would love to find out. This cost me a £5 and I really like it. It has a rather nice little tassel and bead on it, which I really like. I'm excited to use it for my doll photography. The lantern also came with this. I'm not quite sure if it was attached permanently or attached temporarily. I presume this is for hanging it up in a more permanent position. I think that lantern looks awesome. I've been looking for a lantern for Ivy for years and now she finally has one and it's not too big for her. I got this beautiful hair comb for £3. I decided to give it to Ivy in the end, but of course I reckon all my dolls will end up sharing it. I have a real soft spot for Ivy, as I feel that she was cheated out of a proper collection by AG. The teeth on the comb aren't particularly strong as I managed to bend one backwards, though I did manage to bend it back into place. Doesn't Ivy look lovely? This cost £5. I took a better photo of this lucky cat that my dad found in the shop for me. I think that it is really cute. There is something written on the back of the cat, but I don't know what it means. If you can translate it, please let me know. I would be very grateful. I think that Corinne likes her new lucky cat, don't you? I got this rather sweet little plush toy. I don't exactly know what it is or what it says on its tummy. If you could correct me on these matters, I would be very grateful. I think it's meant to hang up in your car, judging by this little thingy which is attached. But I thought it was a very sweet little toy for one of my dolls, particularly Gwynn or her little sister. I was right. I also bought 2 lucky coins for £1 each. One for Corinne and one for Gwynn. Unfortunately, they did not live up to their name as I lost them shortly after taking this photo. I hope I find them. I am now going to show you what I bought at Pop Mart. Dad kindly bought me one blind box as a gift and I bought the other. Both cost £9.99. I bought one Sato Rory Adventures in Wonderland blind box by Selgully and Pop Mart. I hope I got the pronunciation right. And one Kenneth Art Classroom blind box by Pop Mart and Yo-Yo Young. I apologise if I got any of the pronunciation wrong. I chose the Rory one because I love Alice in Wonderland. I even went as Alice to World Book Day as a child. Funnily enough, I didn't realise that Rory was a satyr until I got the box home. Occasionally I can be quite oblivious to things. I chose Kenneth because I thought that he looked adorable, and as somebody who enjoys a variety of art mediums and comes from a family of crafters, I thought it seemed a good fit. I got live drawing Kenneth and I think that he is adorable. Look at all the details. He even came with accessories. The sketch pad even has a little drawing on it. It's so cute. I did struggle with fitting the pegs on the accessories into his paws though. Kenneth came with a card. I got Alice. Weirdly enough, I opened Alice on World Book Day, the 3rd of March, so it was oddly appropriate. I love how cute Alice looks. She's even got a little tail. It looks so fluffy. Alice also came with a card. I think that both of the figurines that I got are wonderful. If you would like to find me on other social media sites, my usernames are listed here and in the video description. I had a fantastic time in London, and I was thrilled to finally go to Chinatown. I can't wait to visit it again. Have you ever been to Chinatown? Please comment your answer below. I hope that you have enjoyed my video. If you would like to, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.